Have you ever been in a moment where you thought, this is it, I'm never getting out of this? But here's the thing nobody tells you when you're stuck. Time never stays the same, and that's the best thing about it. Think about it. Nothing in life is permanent. Not the good days, and definitely not the bad ones. Time keeps moving, whether you're ready or not, and somehow, in that quiet movement, it does something powerful. It heals. You could be going through heartbreak, failure, confusion, feeling lost like there's no way out. But time slowly softens the pain. Not all at once, not overnight, but bit by bit, you start breathing easier. The wound doesn't disappear, but it hurts less. And that's healing. Some scars stay forever, yeah, but the ache fades. You start seeing things differently. You start finding pieces of yourself again. Time doesn't fix everything, but it gives you space to grow around the pain, to make peace with what happened, to accept, to move forward. And honestly, that's what makes time so powerful. You can be in the darkest tunnel, and still the clock keeps ticking. And with each tick, you're moving, even if you don't feel it, moving toward clarity, strength, peace. One day you'll look back and think, damn, I actually made it through that. So if you're hurting right now, don't rush to fix it. Don't force yourself to get over it. Just take it one moment at a time. Let time do its thing. Cry, breathe, rest, repeat, and trust that this version of you won't last forever, because it won't. Time changes, and so will you. The pain will pass. You'll smile again. You'll laugh again. And when you do, you'll realize you were never broken. You were just healing.